In today's video, I'll share with you how to make adunle. This is basically cornmeal snack, and look at this. This is crispy, it's crunchy, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Just look at it. Let's get started. In my saucepan, I'll add in the cornmeal. I'll add in powdered milk, which is totally optional, sugar, a pinch of salt. I'll use pineapple flavor to flavor it. This is also totally optional. Lastly, I'll add in milk. You can use water instead of the milk. And water as well. Stir till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So all you have to do is to stir till well combined. Keep stirring it until it forms a dough. As you can tell from the video, it has started thickening up. All you have to do is to ride it like you cook it. This is the it's like you're doing banku. So guys, this is what you're looking for. It should be something like this, and then the dough should be soft. It shouldn't be that hard. It should be soft like this. Before transferring it on your work surface, make sure you sprinkle a little bit of the cornmeal on your work surface before transferring the dough on your work surface. To spread it well, and then sprinkle some of the cornmeal on top and let it cool down completely before molding it. Once it cools down, go ahead and preheat your oil. All you have to do is to sprinkle a little bit of corn flour on your work surface. Bring small amount of the corn dough and roll it thin. And roll it thin as demonstrated in the video. So guys, this is what you're looking for. It should be thin like this. You can roll it any size of your choice. When done, keep it aside. It should be something like this. So guys, this is what you're looking for. It should be something like this in deep fried. And this is what we call adunle, cornmeal snack. When done, deep fried. Bad boys. So guys, as you can tell from the video, the color is changing. Look at this. You want it to get brown. So guys, when you get to this color, this is what you're looking for. It should be something more or less like this. And this is the cornmeal snack. Look at this. When you get to this color, remove it from the oil. So guys, I'm done here. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you in my next video. Till then, adios.